General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Workout. It's the middle of the week. Let's look at the anchor. Confirm or revise the anchor point status. Are we still confident Monday's the low? Yeah, because it's inefficiency held. It's a H4 breaker. Did not hold. It's the weekly volume imbalance. Held price. I think Monday's low will hold. Weekly buys template. We're still bullish. Still bullish for the week. Shifts in framework hit rate. It's NFP week protocol. So Thursday is a no trade day. As markets tend to seek and destroy before NFP. Maybe personal account, you like, all right, but probably like, I'm just wait. Any valuable case studies this week? We're getting sell above this. We haven't had no good case studies because we've just been in this tag key range. No classic one shot, one kill weeks. Tuesday or Wednesday. Weekly profiles. Since feels like since 2021. Really. Time and bias. I feel like this week is off because it's an NFP week. Next week is options expiry week. This feels like week 4, week 2 delivery. Since it is start of the month. And next week is options expiry plus CPI. Not expanded, we just manipulated previous week's high and returned to, well, we kind of just, this is the sign that we actually finna break out because we hit the high, broke it, retesting it. The next time we take it, we should really take it. Previous week's high. I think market's on hold for NFP and Supreme Court. Scissor probably been high probability. January is reduced risk and shot selection. The narrative framework and accuracy. It's been off. Market's been dropping. Success or failure. Success is knowing how to push when it's unclear. Case stuff audio reference. Trump era is a reference. Google and Apple do this all the time. Yeah. Crypto bros. Say today's a manipulation day. Engage. Low confidence. Took the data lows. Displaced down with the beautiful stop hunt. Closed above 50%. But this is just, you don't mess with this. Price them. No, make a point. Yep, it's one day. It's two. That's spot two. It's crazy we left Asia high. That's a sign. Price rejected the weekly volume balance. Price consolidated for the rest of the day. And even here, like as it just chops, you'll want to see a run below here. This is also too close for me. Let me move this. This is balanced now. I do like the taking of this low. I like when we take two lows. Those are like this Larry Williams smash day. But the one low is cool. I still want this low, but this low is too close to this low, so I might as well get both of them. So I move this. That'd be more of an NFP spike. This low serving as to engineer low. Now we don't have to take this low because closing above here will be crazy strong. This candle. It's a crazy candle. Just how all this open high, low close going on down here is out of control. This is the reference point though. You take off this data low, this gap. Closing above this, I'll use 50% grade this. So this is where I want to buy. Around NFP. That'll be interesting. Time, place, really after all that. What time is this? They put that at 11. I thought that was at 10 for the Supreme Court. It's just inflation, consumer sentiment. What is this? Just my time zone. Some above here is still cool because we're not. I don't believe that we can leave this unfinished. What's crazy is we're not even in all-time high territory, whereas S&P already did it. And it looked like it could be doing it again on S&P, but it did the same thing. S&P is way more riper for the sell because this low, this down candle didn't get ran by up candle, so it hasn't been manipulated at all. Whereas this candle has been manipulated. Both of those had, so this will have a delayed delivery. Look for sales. Go to the hour. Mm, Still like this low. There's a low that took out a high. It's the next liquidity pool on buy side. Breaking and closing above here. I can look for support for higher prices. Otherwise, I'm targeting this. When I look for buys, is close above the high that took the low. Use that as a breaker. For higher prices. Right now, Tuesday low. Looks interesting. That's NFT target for news. I still think we can flip bullish. That is an ideal trade location for me to catch the buys. And we still need that up there too. Let's keep this here. Or let's put the idea here. This is where I want the idea to happen. I need a light bulb. Mm, Sales above here will be tight. That'll be if we break up through here and then close back through, like disrespecting this as a breaker. I'll be like, this is a reclaimed very short block. Just change the color red. interesting. Still got this gap here. Still ain't got no action. Got a gap down here too. It's a weak high. Some weak highs here. Just these highs are so attractive, but I still like the area I like for trade idea. Mm. 1, 2, okay. Reach lower to stop out all the swing traders and pump higher up. All-time highs. And I think the Supreme Court thing is gonna be good too. I don't think it's gonna be no bad news. Just stop hunt. Everybody get suckered in. We may even come all the way down here to Monday's low and pump. Because this is just a tacky area. This accumulation we've been in since forever. Look at it. Still need down candle down here. Tariff news coming in bad. We can see all this, but we're more likely to see the highs than the lows. Things are not that bad. All right. Did the framework play out? Nah. I thought we would buy up after we dropped. Boom, price just dropped all day. You know, learn about pattern narrative for myself. It's really about location. What will I watch for tomorrow? News. All right, let's start on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.